Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall OneDrive on Windows 10 quickly and easily. Step 1. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard and type appwiz.cpl in the search box, then press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window where you can manage all installed programs. Step 2. In the Programs and Features window, search for OneDrive in the list. This helps you locate the program you want to uninstall. Step 3. Right-click on OneDrive and select Uninstall. This will remove the current installation from your computer, which is necessary before reinstalling it. Step 4. Open any web browser, go to Google, and search for OneDrive download. Make sure to find the official Microsoft link to avoid downloading unsafe files. Step 5. Click the official Microsoft link, download the setup file, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall OneDrive. After this, your OneDrive will be set up and ready to use again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tutorials.